Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You should have the app installed and permissions granted. Once done, open the first app you want on screen. Tap the split screen icon or swipe gesture to dock it to the top or left. Make sure overlays are enabled so the second app can appear. You'll notice previews of recent apps. Select the second one to place into the remaining space. Take a moment to adjust orientation. Landscape works best for video plus notes, while portrait favors messaging and browsing. Once both apps are visible, drag the divider to set proportions you prefer. Try 70/30 for reading plus reference, or 50/50 for equal work. You can pin one pane to prevent accidental app swaps. Make sure to enable any app linking features if you want clipboard sharing or synchronized scrolling. If the app supports saved pairs or gestures, create a shortcut now so you can reopen this exact layout later. This saves time and reduces repetitive setup when multitasking frequently. To finish, use the central handle to collapse back to a single app or tap swap to change positions. You can also close one pane from the dock. If an app becomes unresponsive, force reload it or restart the split screen session. Make sure background restrictions aren't blocking the app from running. If problems persist, check permissions and battery optimization settings. Some systems suspend overlays. Finally, clear the split screen app cache and reassign accessibility permissions. Then try the workflow again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.